Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while. I feel like every video that I do, it's been forever since I did my previous video, and I really want to try and keep up with these, but I've been so busy. I just can't. I need to get on the schedule to do these videos again. But I just wanted to do a quick little like unboxing or haul of supplies I just got from VEYES specifically. I've gotten their stuff before, but this was a bigger package, so I just wanted to do a mini haul. This is my third time purchasing from them, so I wanted to show you what I got this time. The first time was last year. I just got like a couple different things of mixed lashes, and then the second time I did like went ahead and ordered like the full line of a specific lash of their premium lashes. And then this time I got another full line of other lines of lashes. So I just want to go ahead and show you. So yeah, let's get started. Hopefully you don't hear, you see my background is different. I moved locations. I'm not working out of my house anymore, which I wasn't. I was working out of my little studio I had outside of my house. But now I actually rented out a spot or a room inside of another hair salon in my town. And this is where I'm at. It's white. I'll do a little tour of this maybe after this. I gotta clean up a little bit, but maybe I'll show you after another video after this one maybe. But yeah, let me just do my little haul. So this is what the box looks like. I've gotten another one before, which was just the lashes. Let me show you. This is from my second order, but this is just lashes. I just have my lashes in here, but this is like perfect for that. And then this one was bigger because they actually packed, I think, the whole order. Last time they had just the lashes in there and then maybe a couple other things in the bag that it came inside of, but this time everything was in the box, which they still put inside another bag for shipping purposes. But yeah, so this is got a lot of goodies. So it comes with a little thank you card and all that, like with the pictures and stuff, and 2022 thank you. And then this is empty. I think they just did it for cushion on there. So the main thing that I ordered this time was their Cashmere Lashes. The ones I have from previous order are just their premium line, which look like this is size 15. They're just the premium eyelash ones. That one I still haven't opened because I haven't had the need to use 15mm. I'm almost out of 13 and 14, which was what I reordered, but in cashmere, because I wanted to test them out. So I have size 13 and 14 0.05 D curl in the cashmere, and I really want to try, because I think cashmere is darker than like their premium ones, but I'm not sure. I think silk might, I don't know. They have another line, which is the silk one. Kind of tempted to try that one. That might be the next thing I try from them, but I'm not sure. I've seen like mixed reviews about VEYES, so I just want to try their their cashmere ones before I decide to get something else or not. And I just realized I didn't order something I really wanted to order. I wanted to order the sample pack of their silk lashes because I wanted to try their silk lashes next, but I just totally forgot about it. So the premium ones, I got size 13 and 14 D curl, and then I got the mega volume lashes, the full line. So I got their smallest size, which is 10, all the way through their longest size, which was 17, also D curl, but it's for mega volume 0.03, but it's also the cashmere. So I got all of those, and also you can use them for just regular volume, which I did before, like for the clients that don't have the best healthiest lashes, don't have the healthiest lashes, they're just more thin and fragile, you can use 03s to make them less damaging on their eyelashes than using the 05. So that's why it's a double purpose in a way. And then I also got their palette, which I'm gonna use today for the mega volume. I think, actually I don't know, because I already have a palette of 03 from VEYES, but they're premium, in their premium sizes. So I might just, yeah, I'll probably just use that other one. This one I'm gonna use for M Curl. I bought a lash, a box of M Curl lashes mixed tray from another brand that I want to try out, so I'll probably put that on there. And I also got a box of their, or a pack of their blooming cups, but they're not the rings, they're the cups, and also got the little dots so you can stick them on to the tray, so they'll go, when this one, they'll go right there. And this one comes with a couple of those dots too. And then the last thing that I ordered from them was this, which I'm pretty excited about. It's their tape dispenser, because right now I have my tapes in like this. This is a washi tape dispenser that I got from Walmart, and I mean, it's worked for now, but I finally wanted to actually get an actual tape dispenser, because this one has the actual like metal part, so make it easier to cut, because these, it's just a plastic cutter and it's a little bit harder to cut the tape off of that. So that's what that one looks like. I'm about to fill it up. I'm so excited. And it comes with a stick. You just slide the tapes in there, and yeah, cut it through. I'm gonna have to find a little spot for this in here, but yeah, I'm excited to use this now. And that's pretty much it for that haul. It was nice and simple. Like I said, I have used their products before, but the premium ones are nice, but they're not the greatest, you know. Like I like their lashes, but I have seen other mixed reviews and I hadn't really like paid attention to them. But then I'm realizing they're a little bit right. Like some of my issues with the VEYES, with the premium ones specifically, that some of the lashes will, if you put too much pressure, they'll like bend, so they'll get out of shape, or at the bottom when you're trying to pull them off the tray or the strip, they'll come out of shape at the bottom if you pull them too hard or something. I don't know, that's my experience on a few of them. So I wanted to try the cashmere and see if it's any different, and then the silk for sure would be different, because I've noticed I've mixed silk and whatever premium material it is the other ones are, and the silk ones never do that. I guess the silk are just a little bit more tougher, I'm not sure, but that's what I want to try, the cashmere ones, to see if they're any different. And then I want to try the silk ones too, and if none of those work, I'm just moving on from the brand completely. But they are a more affordable like beginner brand if you want to, if you're a beginner and don't want to splurge on the high ends. VEYES is definitely a good, like higher quality than like trying to use Amazon or anything, and they're affordable, so it's good. And they do use Klarna now, because when I first got them, you had to like pay to get free shipping, specifically to the US. You had to spend like a total of $100 to get free shipping, and I mean, you still do, but now you can use Klarna if you don't want to spend $100. You just split it up, or still doesn't matter, but they have that option too. And yeah, I think that's it for this haul. If you'd like to see more hauls later on, just let me know. I don't do quite a lot of them because I don't typically like buy a whole bunch. Well, I have to now because I've been going through those lashes for my volume lashes, so I'll probably be doing more of them, just not like this big. I don't know if this big. Well, probably I might. I don't know. I'm still conflicted on it. I'll probably do an Amazon haul here soon for esthetician, because I'm getting into more actual esthetician services like facials, so I'll be doing maybe a haul of that. If you want to see that, subscribe. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll leave the link to the items that I have here. I'll leave it on the description box, and I will I'll just see y'all in my next video. Hopefully I don't take forever again to post, but I think the next one will be probably this little room tour. It's like super small, so it'll be a quick video also. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like beauty, eyelashes, and maybe facials now coming up too, subscribe to this channel. I do more of like beginner eyelash tech tips. I've been lashing for over a year now, but I'm still a beginner, so if you want tips on that, subscribe to this channel. So yeah, all right, well, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.